Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto, and welcome to this new video on Uniswap, or just a Uni token, whatever you want to call it. Wanted to do a quick technical update on that, and also a little bit of a fundamental update, but more of a technical update. Was requested yesterday in the live stream we did. We analyzed it there, so I just wanted to take a look at it, because Uniswap has been quite bullish for the last, since last week Wednesday. Since then we actually went up 14%, which for a top 100 crypto, Uniswap is even top 25. That's actually pretty decent, right? I think if we take a look at the last 7 days, it's one of the 6 most bullish cryptos out there right now. So that's great. And that's also why I wanted to make an analysis on whether we could potentially get some sort of a bullish breakout. Right now we're struggling mostly with 6.55. Potentially a move up to $7. Is that possible, or is it most likely that we'll get at least somewhat of a pullback? So it will be a short-term technical update. Before we dive into that though, I also have my own premium training group. Some of the perks you'll receive are at the top right there. If you actually want to become a better trader, which I guarantee you will become, then check out the links down in the description or the pinned comment, or just go to cilinix.com, and there you'll actually be able to find out some more information on what it is and what you'll receive and how to join. So if you're interested in that, check it out. But for now, let's get into Uniswap. So what we've seen is that we have been quite bullish over the last week, right? But the general reason and the general catalyst for why we are bullish, I think, is questionable. Quite a lot of volume right here is coming from sources which I don't like that much, like CoinW, BYBIT, Bullish, which is an exchange I've never heard of. Like, usually if you get a lot of volume from these sources, we've also seen that with Compound, for example. Usually then you get a lot of bullish, or it's when it comes from those sources, it's usually manipulated. And we've also seen that with Compound. Right now, Uniswap and Compound are probably quite correlated. So that's something you should know, all right? Then you can, at some point of time, get some moves where you think like, hey, these are not normal moves. Right now, it does seem to respect technicals quite a bit, all right? So it doesn't matter that much, but it does mean that it's probably quite uncorrelated to Bitcoin, because that's what we've seen from Compound. So that's good to know. Apart from that, I think it's also good to check out the open interest for Uni, which is right now, you can see the open interest has grown immensely. So that's basically the total capital that's in trade right now. So that means we can actually get some big moves. Now for Uni, it all depends on what we'll do from here. We had a massive bullish breakout, I think already on Sunday morning, above 6.3 and 6.25 was a massive bullish breakout. And then yesterday in a stream, what I said is that we'll get up to 6.5, 6.6 and test the 1.618 plus this recent top. This is also where we topped out right here. It's just a massive resistance level. So now what we will see is we're going to either in the next 24 hours see a bullish breakout here. So we break above 6.6, which in this case, with all of this open interest, will probably lead to a move all the way up to 7.1, which is a psychological resistance level, and you have the 2.618 there. So this is a possibility. And on the other hand, you also have the possibility that this resistance level is too strong, that will actually get a pullback down to 6.25. And with this open interest, again, I also do think that that would break, and we'd see a drop down to at least $6. With the potential of spiking all the way down to 5.75, which is the level below that. But I'd say $6 is the first price target. So these are the two scenarios of what could happen, all right? Now, obviously, it would be great if we have some sort of a most likely scenario from here. I think it's most likely, but that's mainly due to the direction of the market right now and the anticipated direction of the market, and that is bearish. Like I said, Uniswap is probably less correlated to the market than other cryptos, but we have seen some correlation at least. And that, in combination with that, we have reached a significant resistance level. 1.618 is usually a very strong level, and 6.5 is also a minor psychological level. That combination leads me to believe that this is the most likely scenario. But personally, I'm prepared for both scenarios. If we break above 6.6, I'm probably going long. So just wanted to notify you on that. I'm in no positions right now on Uniswap, but that's my analysis, and those are my thoughts. So if you do have any questions, or if you want to discuss anything, let me know down in the comments. But for now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.